How do I add another Google Voice number to my device?
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through how to add another Google Voice number to your device. This is especially helpful if you wish to use multiple numbers for different purposes like work and personal use.
Understanding Google Voice limitations.
Before we start, it's important to understand that Google only allows one Google Voice number per Google account. In order to have a second Google Voice number, you'll need to create a second Google account.
Creating a new Google account.
First, you'll need to create a new Google account. Here are the steps. 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google account creation page. 2. Click on Create Account. 3. Fill in the required information and click Next. 4. Follow the prompts to verify your account. Remember, it's important to keep your account information secure.
Setting up your second Google Voice number.
Next, you will set up your new Google Voice number. 1. Open a new browser window and navigate to the Google Voice website. 2. Sign in with your new Google account. 3. Follow the prompts to choose and set up your new Google Voice number. Note: Google might ask you to provide an existing number during the setup. You can use your original number, but make sure to select, I don't want to use voicemail on this phone, so your voicemails don't get mixed up.
Adding the new Google Voice number to your device.
Finally, you'll add your new Google Voice number to your device. 1. Download the Google Voice app if you haven't done so already. 2. Open the app and sign out if you're signed in with your original account. 3. Sign in with your new Google account. 4. Follow the prompts to set up the Google Voice app with your new number. You can switch between your Google Voice accounts by signing out and signing in with the desired account. And that's how you add a second Google Voice number to your device. Remember, it involves creating a new Google account and setting up a new Google Voice number with that account. You can then switch between your numbers by switching Google accounts in the Google Voice app. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.